Hey guys, I'm Brent. Welcome to the Daily Devo. Today, we'll discuss the desire to get revenge. Most of us, if not all of us, at one point or another, has been hurt by someone. And as a result of that hurt, you more than likely wanted to get even. But what if I told you that it's not your responsibility to get even? What if I told you that it's your responsibility to let it go and let God deal with it? I want you and I to look at what Paul has to say about getting revenge in Romans 12. We're going to pick up at verses 19 through 20. Here's what it says. Dear friends, never take revenge. Leave that to the righteous anger of God. For the scriptures say, I will take revenge. I will pay them back, says the Lord. Instead, if your enemies are hungry, feed them. If they are thirsty, give them something to drink. In doing this, you will heap burning coals of shame on their heads. Y'all, Paul is essentially telling you and I that this feeling of trying to get revenge is actually kind of evil. So don't fight evil with evil. Instead, fight evil with good. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying you have to be buddy-buddy with the person that hurts you. But what I am saying is that it's not your job to get revenge. That's God's. So instead of getting revenge, do good and let God handle the rest.